Why do hiccups happen? Let's break it down. Hiccups occur when your diaphragm, the muscle below your lungs, spasms uncontrollably. This makes your vocal cords snap shut, creating that classic hic sound. Common triggers include eating too fast, drinking carbonated beverages, or even sudden excitement. To stop them, you need to reset your diaphragm. Try holding your breath, drinking water slowly, or breathing into a paper bag. These tricks increase carbon dioxide in your blood, calming the diaphragm. Next time you hiccup, you'll know exactly what's going on and how to stop it.